Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. It's Jada here. Happy Easter. So today I'm here with my husband and our boys, and we have a good old DIY project that we're gonna do. So I was able to find this on the trash pile. It is a I don't know, kind of like a nightstand dresser. And as you can see, it tells us fully functional, just needs a little refresh. So we're getting ready to do that. Now Jerome, my husband, said I like old rough. And the translation of that is I like old things. But you know what? A lot of the things in our house is, as he calls it, old rough. You know, I love to get things off the trash pile and repurpose it because it's free, it's functional, and a lot of times people just throw it away because either they don't like it anymore, it doesn't fit their decor, where they're moving doesn't have enough space. So we're going to go ahead and start this video by sanding off the old finish. It was really old, didn't look good. We got 3M sanding paper, and it's 120 for the strength.
This one I bet you I no get time, da cover my face, calling me da. Big man wait to be what's it going? You are coming, all dependent. They get them, ride the whip. I know people die for nothing. What's it going? You are coming, all dependent. They get them, ride the whip. I know people die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when they do, they try to do plenty survive with face just to make your money. But my people then go say I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Let me tell you, what's it called? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, they get them, ride the whip, I know people die for nothing. What's it called? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, they get them, ride the whip, I know people. Different things that happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Sharashina fella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen dreams. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Look at the streets, you are not my mate. If you become a shop, now be head of state. But my people then go say, I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it going? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, they get them, ride the whip, I know people die for nothing. What's it going? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, they get them, ride the whip, I know people die for nothing. Oh no, I bought
The things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine. Baby girl, I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle. And you they blow my mind from a mile ago. And I don't go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is it's your love, baby. She don't want the Gucci, but the body Fendi. Cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh, Lord. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby. If my wood is running, baby, she gon' save me. Cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh, Lord. Girl, your love is crazy. Girl, your love is crazy. You amaze me. You amaze me. Other girls, them only really want to play me. But when I day with you, I realize love don't cost a dime. Love is crazy. You amaze me. You amaze me. All the other girls, they really want to play me. But when I day with you, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a dime.
Unjust, you good. It's done just, you good. It's done just, yeah, done just, yeah. Just for the record. Just for the record. If they like the job at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh, yeah, come bear no. I so blame me, mom. You go do your one time, I go for one time, I'm not to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk up, and so they fly like helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them over. Question, but they no get the answer. 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 Answer, Bassa, do we do? Go sing a salad when you they move. See green light when I look at you. Last time I take picture with you. Now my cassava where you they look. When I say I not see what you do. See when we go get a wild like Sulesu. This one I bear you, me I no get time, da cover my face, calling me big man wait to be what's it coming? G-Wagon, all depending. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it coming? G-Wagon, all depending. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when I do, I try to do I'm plenty survive with fish. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Let me tell you, what's it called? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, they get them, ride the whip, I know people, die for nothing. What's it called? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, they get them, ride the whip, I know people. Different things that happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Sharashina fella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen traits. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Look, I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a chef, never head of state. But my people then go say, I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it coming? G-Wagon, all depending. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it coming? G-Wagon, all depending. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing.
All right, right, y'all, so that is it, what you just saw for the first coat. When you saw me using my glove and kind of wiping the paint down, what I was doing, there was a little drip in it, as you can see, like right here. There was like a little drip from the paint being a little bit too much paint, so I wiped the paint with my glove to kind of look like that wood look, you know, and like wiping the stain into the grains, I guess you can say. So this is it for the first coat. I think it looks really nice so far. I'm gonna let this dry for a couple minutes, move it maybe closer to the sun because we are under a tree, and let it dry, and then I'm gonna do the second coat. But so far so good. I'm gonna use this in our guest basement and put like a gold plate on it and maybe some flowers. I think that would look really nice. But so far I'm really happy with the results. So we're gonna let this dry and then we'll do the second coat.
The things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl, I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my mind, put my mind let go. And I don't go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the Gucci body Fendi, cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh Lord, and when she tell me my love is your love, baby, if my wood is running, baby, she gon' save me, cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh Lord, girl, your love is crazy, girl, your love is crazy. You amaze me, you amaze me. Other girls, them only really want to play me, but when I date with you, I realize love don't cost a dime. Love is crazy, you amaze me, you amaze me. All the other girls, they really want to play me, but when I date with you, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a dime.
Okay, y'all, so far this is it. This is with the second coat, and I am complete. We have it outside to dry now, but yeah, it's looking really good. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.
Just for the record, just for the record. If they like the job at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh, yeah, come bear no. But so blame bear more. You go do your one time, my baby, for one time, I'm not to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man, no, they walk up. Man, no, be God up. Make them they talk up. I should they fly like a helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them over. Question, but then no get the answer. 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 Answer, bossa, we do. There go sing a salad when you they move. See green light when I look at you. Last time I take picture with you. Now my cassava where you they look. When I say I know see what you do. See when we go get it wild like Sulesu.